Hello guys, welcome to the Infinite Electrical, and in this video we'll be discussing about a Simurelay. And I still repeat, in this video we'll be discussing about Simurelay. And what is Simurelay? Simurelay is a software or an app that is used to design electrical industrial circuits both in AC and DC. And in Simurelay, the advantage is that it can help you to test your circuit on it can help you to test your circuit even offline. That means even if you don't have data, you can still test your circuit to know if it is functioning or not before you can take it out to the practical ground. Similarly, also helps you, like if you have a project that you are building for a certain company and they have not yet given you the money for the materials, you can design it and prove to them that if they design it in this way, it can work. So okay, let's go forward and see the functions and see the various parameters of Simurelay. So we'll start from the library. This is the library. If you touch the library, you discover that the switch gears will come. These are the supplies. These are the supplies. You even have a diode. You even have an inverter. You have the neutral. You even have DC sources and both DC and AC sources. You even have generators, three-phase generators, and moreover, you have tele switch, you have push buttons, you have almost everything you need for the basics of industrial installation. Okay, let's go forward and let me explain how everything functions here. Let's go to play now. Play. This play is the simulation button where you have to test. When you must have designed your circuit, you'll be seeing that in the second video. When you must have designed your circuit and you now want to test, you have to go to play. Like for example, if I have a let me just do something let me just do something small let me just do something small so that you can really understand what I'm talking about this let me just do it let me just fast do it so that you can briefly understand what I am talking about here what I'm talking about. Let's just design a simple direct online starter, a simple direct online starter, a simple direct online starter. Let's just design it. This one will just be here. You will see the reaction. So let's supply it. Let's go and supply it. You take your neutral. This is your neutral. You just supply. You take your life. You take your life. This is your life. You can delete this one. This is your life. And you supply it. Now, this play means that this way you can simulate it. But as you are looking at this normally open contact, you see that this is K1 instead of KM1. So it is not respecting the norms, and which means even if you play it, it will not function. It will function, but there will not hold on contact. So for you to do it now, you come to values. As you press this, you come and press values. You can now change it to K2. You have changed it but to K2 but not KM2. How can you change it now to KM2? You come to tag, and from tag now you see K and you see negative KM. So this is KM1, KM1 and KM1. So now it is corresponding. So this view is when you want to just view only the diagram. So if I press view, you only see this control diagram view. You see, only see the control diagram. After you press view and you want to come back, you just go to edit. Now if you want to delete anything here, you can just come and you delete. This hold, you can just hold the diagram, you can just hold everything and you display it. So that is how it works. So now what we'll do is, this is front, they are not. If there were two diagrams here, you see when I press front, one will come, and when I press back, it will go back. So now let's go to rotate. For you to rotate, you come and highlight where you want to rotate, and you can rotate it anywhere how you want it. It depends on you. You can rotate it anywhere. This capture is not working because actually with Simurelay, you have to come. For you to unlock the full version, you press and you need to pay. It's either 1 year, a lifetime, or 1 month. It depends on you. And for you to when you unlock this full version, it will enable you to export schematic as image. That means that you can draw here and you export it to your machine or to your phone as an image. Unlock timers, it will also unlock timers. And if you want to know more about it, you can just come to this about, visit their website, and you really know more about Simurelay. Or you go to save. This is where you can save. Yes, you can save. This is it. You can save your circuit, but I'm not saving. So okay, let's go on and see how it works. This play buttons I did not explain very well. So when you press play, you see that it has already supplied. This is red, and this is blue, so it shows that it has already been supplied. So immediately as I press this S1, you'll notice that this contact will close. Closing means that it can be supplied. It can supply a motor now. Because you see it in the next video where I'll be designing a direct online starter panel. Yeah, you see it there how it functions. So this is just the basics of it. If I play pop, you see, the reason why it's not holding it because this is KM2 and not KM1. So you see, go back, go to values, press, you go to values, you go back to KM1, and that is it. If you go now, you play, you take pap, that's closed. Your motor now is functioning. You press, you stop it, you play, you stop it, you play. It depends on you. You can even use it to play in your house if you want. Okay, you go like this. You want to change this color, like the brightness is disabled, you want to change it, you can go to dark, press, you go back to light. It all depends on you on what you want to do. But for now, this one, this and this, they are all closed. And the reason that they are closed is because we have not yet buy it, but as time goes on we'll buy it. And also, since this is Simurelay, we'll go on now. Look at our next video, you'll see that we will go on now to design it in Schemaplic. So we'll be using, as like I said before, we'll be using two main apps, which is Simurelay and Schemaplic. So with Schemaplic, the timers are on, everything is on there. That is where I'll clearly show you how timers work, how you can use them, where you can use them, where to use the normally open contact and the normally closed contact, how to put them to form a circuit, how to design a circuit by yourself. So I still remain my humble self, Solar Dominic. This is just a video on how Simurelay functions, and this diagram was just to help you to understand how this play button functions. So see you on our next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.